know. I can't stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
What if you try to sneeze a bit more softly?
Sorry, but if pigs make me sneeze, and you are a pig, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But you...
No! Do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, piggy.
Are you okay, dear Lord?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not take pigs make you sneeze. I do not take cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
I think you're sick.
I'm sick? Thank you, doctor! I have to find Piggy. Piggy? Piggy? Oh, Piggy! Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. Piggy, Piggy.